Good morning. I'm here with another question. Watch the full video for better understanding and do not forget to subscribe thereafter. In this question, we will take x cube common from both the equations in the numerator and the denominator place. So let's take common x cube. We'll write on outside the bracket x raised to power 6 minus 5x cube minus 1 divided by x cube. X cube will write on outside the bracket x raised to power 6 plus 7x cube minus 1 over x cube. We will cancel x cube with x cube. We'll write on here equals to x raised to power 6 over x cube minus 5x cube over x cube minus 1 by x cube divided by x raised to power 6 over x cube plus 7x cube over x cube minus 1 by x cube. We can cancel this one, we can cancel this one. Here we will use the law of indices, which is equals to x raised to power 6 minus 3 minus 5 minus 1 by x cube divided by x raised to power 6 minus 3 plus 7 minus 1 by x cube. If you already know how to take common x cube directly and get this answer here, you can continue with that, which is equals to x raised to power 3 minus 5 minus 1 by x cube divided by x cube plus 7 minus 1 by x cube. Now, since we have got this equation, we have to rearrange x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 5 divided by x cube minus 1 by x cube plus 7. Now we have to find out x cube minus 1 by x cube so that we can substitute the value here and then we can get the answer. So for that, x minus 1 by x equals to 5. It is already given in the question. We will cube both sides. X minus 1 by x cube is equals to 5 cube. We'll use the formula here. A minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3a minus b. Here we have x as a and 1 by x as b. So we'll get x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3x minus 1 by x is equals to 5 cube is equals to 125. X cube minus 1 by x cube. We already know what is the value of x minus 1 by x, which is 5. We'll put that value here into 5 is equals to 125. So we'll get x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 15 is equals to 125. We will take 15 to this side. What we will get? We'll get x cube minus 1 by x cube is equals to 125 plus 15, which is equals to 140. So we'll get the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube as 140. This value will substitute here in these two equations. When we will substitute the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube in the equations, what we will get in place of this, if I'll write down 140 minus 5, and in place of this, I have to write down 140 plus 7. So we'll get here 140 minus 5 is 135. 140 plus 7 is 147. So the answer for this question is 135 divided by 147. I will keep on sharing such videos. So do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'll share the videos. Thanks for watching.